Y'all, this is what happens when you don't check your squash for 2 days. 2 days, y'all. One here. Oh, and another one here. And another one here. I mean, I'm not complaining. I love squash. Oh, and another one here. And you know what's really funny? That. So those are some giant squash brought to you by laziness. What do you do when your squash has gone too big? I'm going to be sharing some recipes with y'all in a bit. One of my favorite things to do is squash hash browns. Just shred them, and you can either mix them in with potatoes for your breakfast hash browns or just by themselves. And another thing that I like is using them as noodle substitutes, either spiralized or sliced thin in place of lasagna noodles for really good veggie lasagna. But I do have, they're not really recipes, they're more like rules. Use what you have. But I will share more of that in detail later on because that's what's for lunch. So I hope that y'all are well, and until next time, bye.